Hello friends, I want to introduce you to one of the new models that Samsung has released, one of the microwave models, MS23. I'd like to share some brief information about this microwave model with model code AGTR. I have already plugged the device in. Let me show you inside the interior. Design, there is a ceramic interior coating. Samsung provides a nearly 10-year warranty against scratches here. The ceramic protection is quite resistant to the scratches. The programs are located here. On microwave program, odor removal, defrost feature. Here there is bread, chicken, and meat. You can easily thaw things you take out of the freezer. With the keep warm feature, you can also keep your food hot. There is also a child lock here. When you press and hold for 3 seconds, the child lock activates immediately. When you make a program selection from here, let me show you. Let's select the microwave. You adjust power level from here, the temperature at which it will be cooked. Then you press the start button. The average price of the device is around 5,500 lira baht. When you press stop, it switches to eco mode directly. You can save energy here. The best advantage of this mod is the keep of warm feature. You can also use quick defrost here. As I said, the defrost feature is one of the biggest features of microwaves. You can instantly thaw what you take out of the freezer. As for the place of manufacture, this device is made in Malaysia. For the programs to be used, the microwave program is generally used. Home dessert is for brownies or cakes, and you can bake these with this program. Its usage is also quite simple. It's a standard microwave model with an odor removal program, powerful defrost feature, and ceramic interior. You will use it for a long time. It fits comfortably in standard kitchen spaces. Doesn't take up too much space. The LED display is also quite simple. You can manage everything from here. For example, if I ran the odor removal function, it lasts 5 minutes. Let's cancel this immediately. When we select the microwave program, it adjusts the power level here. You can state any questions you have in mind. I will try to provide you with as much information as I can about this model.